Namaste everyone, my name is Devi Pratyaksha and today we're going to practice Bhramari Pranayam. The benefits of this pranayam is that it relieves your stress, anxiety, anger and insomnia. A lot of children these days can't sleep well, so this is a wonderful practice for them. So let's start. For Bhramari, first we have to block our ears with our fingers, like this. Close your eyes and then make a noise that a bumblebee does, like this. When you do this pranayam, breathe naturally, but while exhaling, that's when you have to make this sound. So let's do it one more time. After this pranayam, never open your eyes in a rush because your concentration level is high, so it's not good when you open your eyes. You can do this practice 2 times every day. Bye. See you next time. Om.